The yoga niche in print-on-demand business is so profitable niche, but it's a quite competitive as well. You can find huge difficulty to rank higher on search results in your print-on-demand platform. So the best way to work in these such niches like yoga is making what's called cross-niching. So what does it mean by cross-niching? You could combine more than one niche in one design. Therefore, you can stand out of the crowd and escape from the huge competition in those niches. And to get you straight to the point, let me show you one of my recent sales regarding yoga niche. Let me show you like this one. Congratulations on your recent sale on Redbubble. And our design about yoga is that one, Yoga Now Wine Leader. It's a cross niche design that combines two big niches, yoga niche and wine niche. And in that way, you can escape from the huge competition and the huge crowd on both niches, yoga and wine niche. And let me show other examples like this one, yoga and coffee. This cross niche designs target many people who love yoga and coffee as well. Here you can escape from the huge competition on both niches, yoga niche and coffee niche. So in other words, you can go beyond other people's interests. So if anyone does yoga, of course, he loves anything else like music, sport, cat, dog, and so on. For example, let me show you this amazing design. This one, 4 leggings of yoga, lifestyle, yoga, and fox. It's a cross niche design which combines animals and yoga. Funny design, yoga and any other animal. Lovely animal like fox, Bernese mountain dog, a golden retriever, cat, and so on in a funny way that animals does yoga. Okay, so you have to dominate yoga niche by that way, cross niche designs with anything else. Like you can combine yoga niche with anything like beverages, drinkings like cola, Pepsi, wine, vodka, and so on. Other jobs like physician, doctor, nurses, mechanic, carpenter, and so on. Or food, mushroom, pasta, and so on. Okay, so now a good question comes up: how to create these such designs with some variables, or you can make cross niche designs. Firstly, you have to prepare lists of the other niche. Like I said before, you have to make a list of dog types like Bernese Mountain Dog, Husky, Golden Retriever, Bulldog, and so on. And list of cat types and list of drinkings like Pepsi, cola, pear, wine, juice, strawberry, and so on. And a list of jobs, physician, doctor, chemist, and so on and so forth. So you can make your cross niches that combine yoga niche and all other sub niches, all other niches. And of course, if you don't know what the difference between niche or sub niche and the cross niche, you'll find this video below in the description box. And to create your design simply without using any Photoshop or Illustrator, just you can use simple tools. And to make these designs with some variables, you can use this amazing tool like this one, Canva Automate Maker. It's a Chrome extension that depends only on canva.com to create your scalable design with some variables. So often adding this one as a plugin on your Chrome browser, just you can use canva.com as well. Or you can use automation Merge Titans canvas. Here you can create and scale hundreds of designs in minutes. Scaling designs with variable data on canva.com. Okay, or you can use Merge Informer. Here you can find an amazing tool that enables you to make hundreds or thousands designs with some variables. Or you can use this free tool, topbubbleindex.com. So for example, and quickly, just you can go canva.com and to make a simple design about yoga and any other niche. Like I love yoga. Here I add this graphic from this element section. Okay, and I love yoga, and I use here a handwritten font that suits yoga as you see. And to create your scalable designs, you can create that manually. I love yoga and wine. Therefore, you can copy the design, the page, okay, and I love yoga and vodka and so on and so forth. But that way it takes time and effort. Or you can use other automation tools that I have mentioned before, like Canva Automate Maker as before. That depends on canva.com, okay? So as you see here, you can find this Chrome extension, Canva Automate Maker, okay? That makes that easy and quick. Or you can use Merge Titans or Merge Informer or the free tool toppuppleindex.com. And for sure I have talked about in details how to use toppuppleindex.com to make hundreds or thousands scalable design with some variables, and you can know about the art of sub niches and cross niches. You'll find this video below in the description box. And the moral of this video, don't limit yourself in some niches or sub niches. You can work in any niche as you want, but you can deal with that wisely by making cross niches or sub niches. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.